Creative Worshipers. I'm Andrea York with Catch the Fire Worship Flags. Today's FAQ topic is how to use worship flags. And the question is how to hold your worship flags. If you think this is helpful, please like and follow for more tips.
This video is brought to you by Catch the Fire Worship Flags. Elevate your praise to the next level.
So how to hold worship flags. If you're using angel wing worship flags like we provide at Catch the Fire Worship Flags, the correct way to hold them is with the tail hanging down. So you'll have at the top, there's nothing, at the tail is hanging at the bottom. The reason that you want to hold your worship flags like this, two ways. As you get into multiple layers, they're going to be heavy at the top when you're flying them around. The drag will make your arms tired. Secondly, they're angel wings, so the tail goes below. And then thirdly, the way to hold your worship flags with the tail at the bottom is because we have these labels. You don't want the labels flying high and being visible. This will kind of hide the label so that you'll see it, but it won't be distracting when you're using your worship flags. So that is how to hold worship flags. If this was helpful, again, please like and follow for more tips. Elevate your praise to the next level with worship.